The Cult. Premiere 2009 genres TV, action/adventure, drama, thriller. Undeclared. Premiere 2001 genres TV, sitcom, comedy, drama, comedy. More Undeclared 322 of 339. The best TV shows of the last 20 years, 44 of 307. The best shows cancelled after a single season, 347 of 538 TV shows cancelled before their time. Strangers with Candy. Premiere 1999 genres TV, black comedy, comedy. Spaced. Premiere 1999 genres TV, sitcom, comedy. More Spaced 47 of 106. The best British sitcoms of all time, 538 of 640. The best TV shows to binge watch. Jericho. Premiere 2006 genres TV, action/adventure, apocalyptic and post-apocalyptic fiction, drama, adventure, film, action. Stargate SG-1. Premiere 1997 genres TV, military science fiction, action/adventure, adventure, film, action, science fiction. More Stargate SG-1 3 of 83. The best sci-fi original shows, 51 of 253. The best TV shows streaming on Hulu, 86 of 389. TV shows that only smart people appreciate. Pushing Daisies. Premiere 2007 genres TV, black comedy, fantasy, mystery, comedy, drama. More Pushing Daisies. Creepy scenes in Pushing Daisies that were brushed aside by the show's wholesome atmosphere, 39 of 95. The best dramedy TV series, 182 of 447. The funniest TV shows of all time. Community. Premiere 2009 genres TV, Doctor Who. Premiere 1963 genres TV, sci-fi, adventure, drama. More Doctor Who. The most messed up things the Doctor has done on Doctor Who, 49 of 249. The best BBC One shows, 23 of 74. Sci-fi shows you should be watching now. Freaks and Geeks. Premiere 1999 genres TV, teen drama, comedy, drama. Farscape. Premiere 1999 genres TV, science fiction, puppet. More Farscape. The best Farscape characters, the best seasons of Farscape. Arrested Development. Premiere 2003 genres TV, sitcom, comedy. More Arrested Development. There are always Arrested Development fan theories in the banana stand. 25 awesome Arrested Development tattoos. Heroes. Premiere 2006 genres TV, drama, television drama series, thriller, science fiction, fantasy. More Heroes. The best songs about heroes, the greatest zombie slayers in movies, 61 of 299. The best sci-fi television series of all time. Charmed. Premiere 1998 genres TV, Family Guy. Premiere 1999 genres TV, black comedy, animation, sitcom, animated cartoon, comedy. More Family Guy. The best Family Guy characters of all time. Family Guy fan theories so crazy they might be true. 35 of 486. The greatest animated series ever made. Veronica Mars. Premiere 2004 genres TV, teen drama, mystery, neo-noir. More Veronica Mars. All the insanely famous people who guest starred on Veronica Mars. 21 things you didn't know about Veronica Mars. Lost. Premiere 2004 genres TV, supernatural, drama, science fiction, mystery. More Lost. The best Lost characters. 25 incredible tattoos inspired by Lost. Xena, warrior princess. Premiere 1995 genres TV, supernatural, action/adventure, drama, adventure, film, comedy, drama. The Simpsons. Premiere 1989 genres TV, animation, television, comedy, family, film. More The Simpsons. The best Simpsons characters of all time. 6 of 690. The best cartoons of all time. 59 of 242. The best Saturday morning cartoons for mid-80s 90s kids. Battlestar Galactica. Premiere 2004 genres TV, space opera, military, science fiction. More Battlestar Galactica. The best Battlestar Galactica characters. The best seasons of Battlestar Galactica. The X-Files. Premiere 1993 genres TV, cryptozoology, supernatural, crime fiction, drama, live action. More The X-Files. Fan theories about The X-Files. The X-Files episodes that made us say you owe a 71 of 83. The best after-school shows from the 90s. Firefly. Premiere 2002 genres TV, space western, space opera, drama, comedy, drama, science fiction. More Firefly. 14 fun facts about Joss Whedon's Firefly even die-hard fans don't know. 15 crazy yet plausible fan theories about Firefly. Buffy the Vampire Slayer. Premiere 1997 genres TV, supernatural, horror, comedy, drama, teen drama, action. More Buffy the Vampire Slayer. All of the behind-the-scenes drama from Buffy the Vampire Slayer and Angel. 6 of 32. The best UPN shows. 16 of 241. The greatest TV shows for women.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.